Hi dear students, in this video I am going to discuss some important questions from exercise 3.5. So let's get into the questions. Question number 2, option number 1 I am going to solve. For which values of a and b does the following pair of linear equation have an infinite number of solutions? Here two equations are given, that is 2x plus 3y is equal to 7 and a minus b into x plus a plus b into y is equal to 3a plus b minus 2. Okay, two equations are given. What is the condition given in the question? For what value of a and b, the given pair of linear equation has infinite number of solutions. This is the one of the important question. 100% sure to ask this question in your public examination or board examination. Every year there will be a one question according to the conditions. That means either the question can be asked either for what value of a and b or n or any variable. The given pair of linear equation has infinitely many solutions or no solution or unique solution. So this types of question is 100% will be there in your board examination. You should have a well idea about how to solve these types of question. Okay, so let's solve it. So first we can write the coefficient of both equations. A1 is equal to 2 and A2 is equal to A minus B. Here A minus B is the another real numbers. A are real number, A and B are another real number other than this coefficient. Okay. Similarly, B1 is equal to B1 is 3 and B2 is equal to A plus B and C1 is equal to minus 7 because in the standard form, what is the standard form of linear equation? Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So when we take this 7 to right side, when we take 7 to left side, this will be minus 7. So c1 is equal to minus 7. It's very important to give minus 7. Clear. Similarly, c2 is equal to minus of 3a plus b minus 2. Then for infinitely many solution, what is the condition? A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. This is the condition. So equate it. What is A1? 2 by what is A2? A minus B is equal to what is B1? B1 is equal to 3 and B2 is equal to A plus B is equal to what is C1? C1 is equal to minus 7 divided by C2 is equal to minus of 3a plus b minus 2. Then we can take here three relations are there. Okay, first term equal to second and second term is equal to third as well as first is equal to third also. So first we are taking these two. We are comparing these two, so we will get a cross it. Okay, so what we will get a just to cross multiply it. 2 into a plus b is equal to 3 into a minus b. Clear? Just expand it, which is equal to 2a plus 2b, which is equal to 3a minus 3b. Clear? Then take b term into right side and a into left side. So what will we get? 2b minus 3b take into left side, it will be plus 3b is equal to 3a and plus 2a when we take into right side, it will be minus 2a. So that 5b is equal to a. Equation number 1 we have got. One relation we have got between A and B. Next, one more relation is needed because as it contains two variables, we need two relation or two equations to solve it. So for that, I am taking this relation, these two. You can take these two also, no problem. Either way you can solve. 2 by A minus B is equal to, here both have minus sign, so we can cancel it. So 7 by 3A plus B minus 2. Clear? This is the another relation. Just to cross multiply it. 2 into 3A plus B minus 2. Crossing this. Equal to, crossing these two, 7 into A minus B. Then 6A plus 2B minus 4 is equal to 7A minus 7B. This is a linear equation into variable. Again simplified. 6A plus 2B. Okay. This take into right left side, that is minus 7A and minus 7B will be plus 7B is equal to minus 4 take into right side will be plus 4. That implies 6A plus 6A minus 7A will be minus A plus 2B plus 7B will be 9B is equal to 4. This is equation number 2. Now we have two linear equations and two variables. And one is in the form of one variable in terms of another variable in equation number 1. So we can use substitution method, which will be easier. So substitute for A in equation 2. So what will we get? Minus A equal to 5B, that is 5B plus 9B is equal to 4. That is 4B minus 5B plus 9B will be 4B is equal to 4, which implies B equal to 1. Again resubstitute. Therefore, A is equal to 5B, which is equal to 5 into 1 equal to 5. So the value of B, A is equal to 5 and value of B is equal to 1. Once again, this is the very important question from this chapter. Clear? So practice these types of question from sample papers or any other refreshment. Clear? Not only for infinitely many solution, you can practice the question for other conditions like in a unique solution as well as no solution. Next I am taking question number 4, option number 3. Yash scored 40 marks in a test, getting 3 marks for each right answer and losing 1 mark for each wrong answer. Had 4 marks been awarded for each correct answer and 2 marks been deducted for each incorrect answer, then Yash would have scored 50 marks. How many questions were there in the test? So according to the question, we have to find the total number of questions given in the question paper or in the test. So how to put the variables? Because the total number of questions will be equal to the number of questions answered correctly and number of questions answered in wrong way. Clear? So let the number of questions answered correctly be X. Okay, and let the number of questions answered wrong be Y. Now we have put the variables. Now come to the question. Yash scored 40 marks in a test. That means total marks secured in a test will be equal to total marks secured in a test is equal to, what will be that? 40. What will be the total marks? How to calculate total marks? The number of questions answered into marks awarded for one question. So, according to the first condition, Yash scored 40 marks in a test, getting 3 marks for each right answer. So, 3 into number of questions answered correctly, that is X. So, this is the total marks awarded for that test. And plus, and losing 1 mark for each wrong answer, that is minus 1. Negative mark system is the into number of incorrect answers, that is y, which is equal to 40. Number of right answers into mark awarded for one right answer, that is the total marks awarded for the right answer, plus we need to subtract the total marks deducted for each wrong answer, that is for one wrong answer there will be one mark will be deducted. For y wrong answers, minus 1 into y, that much mark will be deducted. So rearranging, we will get a 3x minus y is equal to 40. Equation number 1. Now what is the second condition? Second condition is, had 4 marks been awarded for each correct answer. This is the according to the first case. According to the second case, had 4 marks been awarded for each correct answer, that means 4 into x, that will be the total marks awarded for correct answer, plus 2 marks been deducted for each incorrect answer, that is minus 2 into y is equal to, should have scored 50 marks. So what we will get? 4x minus 2y is equal to 50. So we have got second equation. Again 2 is common, we can simplify this equation. What do we get? 2 to cancel. We will get 2x minus here will be y is equal to 25. Equation number 2. So this is the two linear equations in two variables. We can solve this equation by any algebraic method. Here it is elimination method is more suitable because coefficient of y already equal. So we can solve it by elimination method or any other method. Clear? Next I am taking question number 4, option number 4. Places A and B are 100 km apart on a highway. One car starts from A and another car starts from B at the same time. If the cars travel in the same direction at a different speed, they meet in 5 hours. If they travel towards each other, they meet in 1 hour. What are the speeds of the two cars? So first let's put the variables. Let the speed of first car be, or let the speed of cars. Let the speed of cars be x kilometer per hour and y kilometer per hour. Clear? Why it is in kilometer per hour? Because distance is given in kilometer and time is given in hour. Okay, in the question. There are two places A and B. So we can take the first case. There are two places A and B. A and B. 100 km apart. That means the distance between A and B is 100 km. Now, according to the first condition, if the cars move in the same direction, if the cars moves in the same direction, okay, if both the cars move in the same direction, they meet in 5 hours. That means we can consider a point C in which they meet at that point. Clear? This will be the point and this will be the distance traveled by the car, first car. Okay, see, so we can also see is the point in which they are met. Now, how to get the condition? How to form the equation? How to form the equation? Here, we can see the speed of the first car should be greater than the speed of the second car. Then only they can meet. Okay, otherwise it is not possible. So after they meet, what is the difference in their distance traveled? This is the total distance traveled, AC. So distance traveled by the first car is AC and distance traveled by the second car is BC. So what is the distance? AB, that is 100 km only, the difference in their distance traveled. This will be the difference. Clear? So difference in their distance traveled is equal to difference in the distance traveled is equal to traveled is equal to 100 km. How to find the distance in terms of speed and time? We have the basic formula, that is speed into time is equal to distance. This is the basic formula we have. Now, what is the difference in their distance traveled? That is distance traveled by the first car minus distance traveled by the second car. That is, what will be the distance? Speed into time. So speed of the first car into time taken. What is the time taken? 5 hours to meet. 5 hours they took to meet. Okay, so x into 5 minus, what is the speed of second car? Y into 5, because both cars took same time, is equal to 100 km. That is 5 into x minus y is equal to 100. Okay, x minus y is equal to 100 divided by 5, which is implies x minus y is equal to 20. Clear? Equation number 1. Now come to the second case. What is the second case? In second case, both the cars move towards each other. This is the point A and this is the point B. First car moves towards B and second car moves towards A. Both the cars moving towards each other. So they will meet at a point C in between A and B. So here the distance traveled by the first car is equal to AC and distance traveled by the second car is equal to BC. So together it is AB. That means sum of the distance traveled by the both the car is equal to AB. So total distance traveled is equal to what you will get? 100. Clear? That is AB. 100 km. What will be the total distance traveled? Distance traveled by the first car plus distance traveled by the second car. So here time taken is 1 hour. Clear? Here it was 5 hours. Okay. And here it is 1 hour only they took to meet. That means distance traveled by the first car, that is x into 1. Speed into time plus distance traveled by the second car is equal to 100. That means x plus y is equal to 100. Equation number 2. Clear? Now, this is in detailed way I explained. For the examination purpose, it's very easy to remember. In case of two cars moving in the same direction, we will take the difference of their velocity is equal to distance traveled, initial difference in their position. Clear? Divided by the time taken. And in case of moving towards each other, we will take the sum of the velocity is equal to the initial distance, okay, initial distance between the two cars divided by the time taken. This is the easy way we can make the equation. This we are simply termed as relative velocity. Okay, so here I explained with the simple concept in terms of speed and time. Clear? Question number 4, option number 5, the last one in this last one. The area of a rectangle gets reduced by 9 square unit if its length is reduced by 5 units, etc. Find the dimensions of the rectangle. So dimensions of the rectangle means length and breadth. So the area is equal to, area of rectangle will be xy. That is the original area. Come to the question. First condition. Area of rectangle gets reduced by 9 square unit if its length is reduced by 5 units and breadth is increased by 3 units. So the original area is equal to new area plus 9 square unit. That is the meaning of area reduced by 9 units. Clear? That means new area plus 9 will be the original area. That implies xy is equal to, what is the new area? New area is equal to new length into new breadth. That is, length is reduced by 5 units. That will be the new length. Into breadth is increased by 3 units. That is the new breadth. So new length into new breadth is equal to new area plus 9. That implies xy is equal to, distribute it, xy plus 3x, okay, plus 3x minus 5y minus 15 plus 9. Xy cancelled, implies 0 is equal to 3x minus 5y minus 15 plus 9 is equal to minus 6. Equation number 1. Or you can write as this 6 you can take into here. 6 is equal to minus 6 will be plus 6. 3x minus 5y. Equation number 1. Both are equal. So first equation we have. Then what is the second condition? Original area increased. The area increased by 67 square unit. That means new area is equal to original area plus 67. What is the condition given here? If the length increased by 3 units and breadth by 2 units. So new area will be x plus 3 into y plus 2. Both increased, which is equal to original area is xy plus 67. Original area is xy and plus 67. Now distributing xy plus 2x plus 3y plus 6 is equal to xy plus 67. Xy cancelled. 2x plus 3y is equal to 67. This plus 6 taken to right side will be minus 6. So you will get a 2x plus 3y is equal to 61. Equation number 2. So there are 2 equations we have got. Clear? Solve it by any suitable method. Okay? So in the next video I will discuss how to solve the equation which are not given in the linear form. Clear? Thank you.